Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and safety. Identify your NVIDIA GPU model and exact Windows 11 build so you download the correct package. Once done, create a restore point and back up any irreplaceable files. That prevents loss if something goes wrong. Make sure antivirus is temporarily paused and note whether Secure Boot is enabled, because it can affect driver installs. Now you have the essentials done, and you can move into the download and clean install phase with confidence. You next perform a clean uninstall and fetch the right driver. Boot into safe mode, run display driver uninstaller to remove residual NVIDIA files and registry entries. This avoids conflicts. Then, on NVIDIA driver page, manually select your GPU series and Windows 11 version. Download the latest Game Ready or Studio driver as appropriate. Run the installer, choose Custom, and tick Perform a clean installation. That resets settings and removes old components. Once the installer, you finish by validating and addressing issues. Open Device Manager to confirm the NVIDIA adapter shows without error, launch NVIDIA Control Panel and GeForce Experience to ensure features are present. Run a quick benchmark or a game to verify stability and performance. If something fails, black screen, crashes, or missing features, use the again, then try installing the previous driver version. Also check Secure Boot in BIOS, as it can block unsigned driver components. That troubleshooting step resolves most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.